welcome back to my channel. I'm Wanda. If you're a returning subscriber, hey homegirl, what's going on? If you're a new subscriber, hey girl, think about subscribing before you go. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So if you can tell by the title of this video, we are doing some DIY lashes at home, girl. Cause I don't know about you, but I'm tired of paying over $100 for my lashes. Yeah, we ain't doing that no more. So we're gonna do our lashes ourselves, where we can take them on and off whenever we feel like it. But with my technique, I keep these on for 2 weeks. So if you want to see how I got this cute hybrid volume set, stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna get started on our lashes. I'm gonna show you the lashes that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna use these lashes right here that I got off of Amazon. I think I paid like $9 for these, I believe. These are 50D 0.07D 18mm lashes. So all of them are the 18-inch length. So I'm going to go in these, and I'm going to use, this is the 40D 0.07D mix. Now this one has different lengths. You got 14s. Well, hold on. I used all the 18, 17, 16s, but this has 15 through 9. So once I get a little close in the middle of my lashes, then I'm gonna go in with this pack and start using the 11s for like the corners. But we're gonna go in with these 18s right here, and I'll try to have these linked all down below. I got all of this from Amazon. So yeah. As far as my glue, I normally use this glue from, well, this bond from Kiss. But I'm not going to use the bond on here. I'm just going to use the seal part on here. As far as my glue, I'm going to go with the I Envy by Kiss, this lash glue. I like this one better. It's a better hold for me. Your lashes, they last at least 2 weeks. Well, for me, they do. They last 2 weeks. And then also, you're going to need a fan. And then I have my tweezers. I use these little tweezers also. And what is this? A little spoolie to go ahead and brush up my real lashes. And then I went ahead and took some lashes out the tray and put them over here, just so it's better for me to just keep moving as I'm going, so I don't have to stop. Then I'm going to take my glue and go ahead and put a good amount to the side so it can look like that. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to bring y'all in closer so y'all can see. now I'm going in with this pack. This is the 40D. I'm gonna use the 12 length for right here in the front.
So I was right. You were too good to be true. Was this love fulfilling, or did I just fill my void like a fool? Yeah. That final night, when you sit down, I'll miss you. I believed it did not, cause it felt like the right thing to do, yeah. Cause it feels like I owe you for all those years of happiness you brought me.
Okay, so this is how they look. I like them. They look good. So for now on, I like how, yeah, the 50D gives it a more fuller look than the 40. But I like how it looks right here in the front, and it's not irritating my eyes on the corner of my eye. So I really, really like it. Let's back up to see how it looks. Yeah, I really like it, and I love my lashes to be full. I normally like it to be a little bit thicker than this, so I might go in and put like add 3 more little clusters, but not too much, just to see how it will look. So I'm gonna go in like right here area because it looks a little spacey, and I'm gonna add 2 more. And yeah, I'm mainly going to add the 3 right here in the middle, just because it looks spacey to me.
You gave me that, so I'll give you that. Not one thing that I would take back. Feels like I owe you for all those years of happiness you brought me. You gave me that, so I'll give you that. Though you didn't love me back, you were the best I had. I was right. You never did see my worth, but I don't resent you. I was convinced I was getting the world. Thank you for making me think that I had everything I had asked God from. You made me feel so damn good, I forgot you didn't love me.
Okay, looking at it now, it looks so much better. It looks so much better. So I added you saw I added the other piece at the end down here. Really like it, and it looks more fuller right here in the middle, and I like how it looks in right here. We did good. We did really good. I love this. So now I'm about to do this eye. Now the thing with me, when it comes to this eye, or whichever eye I start with first, when it's time to do the other eye, they do not come out like sisters. You know, they come out okay, but it's like, ooh, I be having to do a little bit more work. So I'm just gonna take my time and do this other eye. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and use the seal part on here that I showed you that I got from Kiss, just to make sure my lashes stay intact. Now this can get a little sticky, so I just try to use a little bit and just go at the top part and put a little bit on it, just to make sure they stay in place and don't separate. So then I go back in with my fan and just hold it.
overnight. You out of sight. You magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying.
Okay, so you see how thin this looks. So now I'm about to go in and fill it in some more. I don't know why it looks thin like this. I do need to add another right here because I went too close over here. So I need to add one in my end. But you see what I mean? They never come out the same.
I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you.
Okay, so this is how they looking. They don't look half bad. I need to brush them out a little bit more. I don't know. I do feel like this side looks a little spacey, but that could be just because I need to brush them out a little bit more. But I don't know. I feel like I need to add one more up in here somewhere. Because you see how this looks? Yeah, I'm going to add one more. Perfect. That looks so much better. Okay, so I'm just going to go back in with my seal to make sure everything's secured. So these are how my lashes looking, y'all. They look so good. Very, very simple, affordable. I like them. So now I'm about to do like a little face just so I can just set the lashes off even more. Okay, so this is how the lashes look. I had to do me like a quick little face just so I can see the concept. And y'all, I am loving my lashes. They gave me like a hybrid set. I normally go for the volume, but this gives me like definitely hybrid mixed with a little bit of volume. I'm loving it. So affordable, y'all. It's not giving pay $100 for lashes no more. Nah, we doing this ourselves. If I can do it, girl, I know you can. Yeah. So go ahead and go to Amazon and buy you the lashes along with the kit. Okay? Alright. So if you made it to the end of this video, as always, I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Outie.